Welcome. You've arrived on time at the corner of 25th and Strand, in the heart of Galveston's historic downtown district. You're about to take a virtual tour of the Galveston Railroad Museum, a 1932 Art Deco depot located on 5 acres and featuring over 40 different vintage railcars and locomotives. The Galveston Railroad Museum features restored rail cars that visitors can walk through. Discover what it's like to be aboard a rail postal car, a mid-century sleeper car, or a Pullman sleeper car. Climb aboard one of our 2 steam locomotives and experience the size and power of these giant iron horses. The depot has been restored to its glory days of rail travel and looks as it did when it served as the hub for Galveston's passenger rail service. The depot features rotating exhibits, as well as permanent displays, such as the Ghosts of Travelers Past statues, and the phone booths, which include native Galvestonians talking about their lives in Galveston, including King Viter, known as one of the Wizard of Oz directors, as he tells the story of his Galveston roots. When the statues were commissioned, actual Galvestonians posed in vintage attire while the plaster statues were created. The depot also houses the museum's gift shop with train-related toys for children, memorabilia for older rail fans, and a unique selection of books. Parking is free at the museum's parking lot with admission, and guests receive in and out privileges so they can visit the many downtown attractions within walking distance. Experience a real train ride aboard our Harborside Express caboose. Discover the Garden of Steam, with a 1911 Case steam tractor and a Union Pacific mini train. Kids and adults love this spot to run and explore rail travel. With our beautiful gazebo, it's also the perfect place for family reunions, parties, and destination weddings. Our 1932 depot was once the headquarters for the Gulf, Colorado, and Santa Fe Railroad. The 10,000-square-foot white marble depot features the actual ticket booth that was used by thousands of travelers to and from Galveston. The south side of the depot, which was once a Harvey House restaurant, now features rotating exhibits. The Galveston Railroad Museum is a must-see stop on your trip to Galveston Island. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual visit today. To purchase tickets or to become a member, visit galvestonrrmuseum.org. Thanks for visiting, and be sure to drop by soon.